Hello guys, welcome back. In this video we will work with the first unit. So this is our first package we will create for data and YAML file, and this is second unit and third unit. So in this video we will work on first unit. First of all we will prepare this unit and then we will move to the second unit. So let's work with it. I will create a new project. Let's say PyDA project, and I can write final project hybrid approach, and inside this I will create a package which contain a YAML module and my data. So let's say I will create a source folder PyDA package. So here I can write data package. So this contain data here, and I can create a YAML file here, test.yaml, finish it, and I will copy the complete code. This is the data, so copy this data and you can paste here. So YAML data is done, and the next data is Excel sheet. So I can create the Excel sheet in data package here. So I will create, go inside the same folder, workspace, and here final project hybrid application. Here I can create a new folder as well, so it's up to you. I will create here a new Excel sheet. So let's say data, and I will create the data in this Excel sheet. So here username and password. This is the data, and 781294454. This is the username, and the password is, let's say this is some dummy password. Okay, I will save it. So my data part is completed. Now you can see the structure. So my structure says, if I will refresh this project, so you can see this is a data.exe. So inside data package I'm having test.yaml and data.xlsx. So Excel sheet and this both are I'm having. Let's say I will create another package. This is a second unit. So data reader module, I can create data reader. So finish it, and this is also a package. So I can create this package in this way. Let's say create a new PyDA module. So read Excel data. There are two kind of data. One is read Excel data, and the another one is read YAML data. So it will returns the YAML data. That's fine. First of all we will read the Excel data, then we will read the YAML data in next video. Thanks for watching.